Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This time I'm doing something different. It's a tutorial on how to use voicemod Pro. Now, as you can see, it's got many, like, expect.
You can do crazy.
Talk walkie. That one hurts in my ears. Oh no. That's not what I'm using to do with quick VR chart. And call fly. Hot chase. Bolton. I actually kind of like that one. Let's try it.
Okay. Double. Ooh, that's a really cool one. Hamsters. Oh. Oh yeah.
Some of these I haven't tried myself. I like this one. Sure.
What does this do? Oh, wow. I don't know how to restore, but anyway,
That's you can unlock all of these with voicemod Pro. Here's anyway. This is the cool one. I like to call it. You get to make your own basically.
Boom. I just started one.
Both of them are going to be humanized. There we go. Ba-da-ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum. 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 Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum. Ba-da-dum. 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 Dum-dum. Anyway, yeah. Just
Add any of these up.
darn it. Add any of these, and you'll be good. You get to make your own voice changer. I haven't actually tried this. Find funny sounds. Made sound machine. Hold up. Let's try this. VoiceMod Pro, by the way, that you didn't know, is a voice changer. I don't know what. No. No. And I have this one. Download the MP3. Is that how you do it? Oh. Hey! Did I just turn on my... No, my output goes off. Add new sound. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Press key binding. M. Actually, we'll do tab because that's not really used much. And now, every time I press tab. Oh, solid. Metal Gear Solid. Oh, and this is the settings menu. Or you can just, yeah, do what you want with this. And that's about it. That's it for this video, guys. I'm sorry that this one didn't really take much, or was shorter. I'm trying to, update more, or upload more frequently. So that's why this is all, yeah. Oh, hold up. Don't switch. Don't switch. Don't switch. Where's my camera? But apparently it's dark in this spot. Where? Sorry, I'm looking for my camera. Where's my camera gone? Is it in here? Oh, I don't know. Well, I don't know where my camera's gone. So I guess see you guys on the next video. Bye. Have no really other words to say. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.